Welcome fellas to this new video to Express. So today I'm going to be focusing on these great element of the mouse DPI. So basically here you're trying to copy pro gamer settings, right? So you don't have any idea what your own mouse DPI is. So to focusing into finding the actual element here, I'm going to close this just for now. What you need to do, of course, is to, if you have a branded gaming mouse, the answer is already into your computer. So to make sure that the manufacturer application is directly inside here, usually there's logos for Logitech G, the Hub, the Razer, Snipsy, and the Steel Series Double G. So if you have that branded gaming mouse, the answer, once again, you can focus directly into the Hub or the Razer Snipset, and you can open your mouse software. You look for a tab labeled Sensibility or DPI. If you don't know, for example, which is the actual mouse, there's a actual method, DPI analyzer. If you don't have the actual application, there's no problem. We can find, we have to disable the actual Windows fixed sensibility so you can go to the mouse settings. For this, I wanted to focus for the option, the settings, and into settings, I focus for Bluetooth and devices. And here you want to look out for the option that says mouse. So you don't have that application, you don't have to worry about that. When you are here directly into this settings, click the element that says additional mouse settings. Now that you are directly inside here, here is the new mouse properties. So what you wanted to do is that go to the pointer options that appears directly inside here. And when you are directly inside here, you wanted to uncheck the enhance to the actual element that says pointer shadow. As you can see, here it is. I'm going to just disable this. This turns off the mouse acceleration so we can get a raw reading. So I'm going to go for apply and then OK. Now opening a browser, I'm going to be opening a new element here, a new tab. And here what I'm going to be doing here is to tap here mouse / sensitivity like this.com. Here I wanted to go for the DPI analyzer website. You will need a physical ruler for this, so you wanted to enter 1 into the actual target. So moving the mouse exactly 1 inch on the desk while holding the red crosshair. So let's say, for example, that here I have the mode, here's the unit, here's the centimeters converting to the perfect accessibility, here's the calculation. So I wanted to make sure that here the mouse sensibility calculator and converter, here it is. So make sure that here into the simple mode, we'll go for default to make this process much more faster. Inside here, I wanted to go for tools. Into tools, I go for the DPI analyzer. So basically here's my DPI analyzer. I go for the enter DPI, touch counts, enter the distance, and here is the true mouse DPI analyzer. So you can measure for all 4 axes. Here is X from the left to right, from the right to left, from the bottom to top, and from the top to the actual bottom. So as you can see here, it should be the actual target. Right, so units, I'm going to go for centimeters. Here's the right, the target distance, and the configure element. So actual DPI, I enter the distance. Here is my true DPI analyzer. So as you enter the 1 target distance, click the red crosshair and move the physical, move exactly 1 inch to the right. The side will give you an actual DPI based on how many pixels your cursor moved. So if you have a standard office mouse, your DPI is likely fixed, so you can search for the mouse model, the text specification. Most office mice are locked at, I believe, 800 and 1000. So look for any optical resolution. If it doesn't have a button or software, the single number is into your DPI 24/7. So remember that the pointer speed slider into the Windows 11 is just a multiplier. For the most raw field, you want to keep the slide right into the middle. This ensures Windows isn't skipped pixels or slowing your sensor down. So once you have a number, make sure to re-enable pointer precision if you actually like the way it feels your office works. If your mouse feels jittery even at low DPI, you can see more videos into how to fix polling rate issues with I'm gonna leave you that link down below in the description. If you don't, you can let me know in the comments below so we can focus into a new brand video tutorial for you. So thank you once again for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you next time.